I want to introduce this amazing product. Some SLiPLO to protect your front lip or front bumper or anything of your favorite car, baby. So take a look at the front lip. It's already scraped. So no matter what kind of car you have, from sedan to sports car to SUV, you can all put, ta-da, SLiPLO on. So as you can see, this is a set. You get 10 of those little thingy, and it's super easy. Okay, so first step, you're gonna clean your front lip or front bumper like this. It is pretty clean. I don't know. I think it is. Okay, that's done. Okay, back to the vehicle. So the second step, you gotta put those 3M adhesion promoter underneath, just a thin layer. So and let it sit to dry. Let it sit to dry, and put the protection on. Make sure to wear gloves. And now you open the package. Where you're gonna put the protection on. I hope this is it. Now we let it dry. I think it's dry. Now we're gonna put this on. Just peel a little part off and put it on here. And peel as you. Okay, so we're done. Super easy. Less than 5 minutes, maybe. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to go to their website, SLiPLO.com, to get your protection for your car, baby, today. Bye.